Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring core prerequisites are done. This prevents roadblocks later. Sign into Xcode with your Apple ID and decide now whether you need paid Apple developer enrollment for distribution. Once signed in, install Homebrew and Git and run Xcode select install to get command line tools. This makes building and signing easier. Make sure your Mac is updated and Xcode launches. Now clone or create your project repository so you can produce and access the iOS code immediately. You now focus on obtaining and compiling the iOS code. Open the project in Xcode, choose the app target, set the signing team and provisioning profile, and select a simulator or device. Use Git to create a branch and pull the latest source. Branching isolates your work. Build the app, read compile errors, and iterate. Fix issues in Swift or Objective-C files, then rerun. Make sure to run both simulator and a physical device build, because device-specific problems often hide on the simulator. You finish by producing distributable iOS code and handling failures. Archive the app in Xcode using Product Archive, then validate and export for Test Flight or App Store. Increment version and build numbers before export so releases stay consistent. Tag the release in Git and push your branch. If signing fails, check provisioning profiles, certificates, and entitlements first. Mismatched team ID are the usual culprit. Finally, test the exported IPA on a device. If issues persist, revert to logs and iterate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.